guys! Welcome to my scrappiness!
Hey guys, it's Marissa again, and guess what? I just can't help myself. I did another haul with Scrapbook.com. Can't help myself. I don't know why this month I have been hauling a lot from Scrapbook.com. But anyway, guys, I will go ahead and open this box with you guys. Haven't opened it yet and see what's inside. So let's go and open it up. So guys, just for your information, this is a free magazine from scrapbook.com. All you have to do to avail of the free magazine is click on their coupons tab, and then it will, once you click on that coupons tab, it will pull out everything that they have there for special and also freebies. And this happened to be the freebie when I placed the order. So they have this every month, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong, guys, but check on the coupons tab. And so this is a freebie. Let's see what else they have. What else I have in here. Oh, look, guys, hero greetings. Okay, guys, this is another freebie. So when I placed my order, again, I clicked on the coupons tab, and this happened to be a freebie too. I think they cycled through the freebies for their other than magazine, for their stamps. They have this. So this one is a freebie. So I'm so happy I can make some. This is so cute, right? For cards. So I'm gonna put this on the side. Let's see what else is in here. Yay! Let's see, is this all of them? Okay guys, this is not a very huge haul, right? So I did get the all-purpose craft scraper. I got 3 of them because they were on sale, so I took the 3. Again, this would be on the exclusive. This is an actual exclusive. And then I also bought an alternate winter florals. It's all poinsettia, which is wonderful because I've been wanting to I was thinking of creating some poinsettia cards for Christmas. So this is $19.99 actually, guys, and this is also a special. So this is my small haul. It's not a huge haul anymore because, well, guys, I've been buying a lot from scrapbook.com. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed my small-ish haul, and I will catch you guys later. Thank you for watching. Bye.